12.1 years. That is the average age of a vehicle in the United States. If that sounds long in terms of how old a vehicle is, it's because it is a new record high. It keeps going up, and it really shot up in the last year and a half, especially as we've seen more people hang on to their vehicles a little bit longer. To put this in some perspective here, there are about 280 million vehicles on the road in the United States. Guess what? 25% of them, 70 million, are at least 16 years or older. That's a reflection of how long people are holding onto their vehicles. And the folks who put this data together, IHS Markit, they're not surprised.
In a lot of ways, I think it's out of necessity that vehicles are staying on the road longer because it's more expensive to buy new. And so you have to squeeze more value out of that vehicle for a longer period of time.
All of this is good news for the auto dealers, whether it's on the new side, on the used side. They're all benefiting from people who are buying used vehicles. Remember, the new vehicle dealers, they have as big a business on the used side as those who are strictly dedicated to the used market. Bottom line is this, Kelly, people are holding onto their vehicles longer. And look, the reliability continues to improve every year. So the vehicles are no longer like 30 years ago, where after 10 years, it was, ready to go to the trash yard. They can last a lot longer.
So, point well taken, Phil. We're also watching the GM shareholder meeting, which is going on right now. Dividend, a big question, the prospects for raising it. What do you hear so far?
Prospect for reinstating it, Kelly. They suspended it last year when everything happened with the pandemic. Mary Barra was just asked about it about 3 minutes ago. She said, nothing new. We will revisit the issue and may have some news a little bit later on this year.
Okay, so kicking the can down the road there. GM shares, by the way, only down about 1% on that. Ford also, Phil, we should mention, outperforming. Both of these stocks pretty much outperforming Tesla, I believe, year to date.
They are, and that's because of the belief that when it comes to the EV market, both Ford and General Motors will be primary players, let's say over the next 15 or 20 years, and that they're just scratching the surface. By comparison, Tesla, since the beginning of the year, people have said, look, they already had a heck of a run-up. How do you value this company? People struggle with that, and as a result, the shares have not risen as much as they have for both Ford and GM since January 1st.
Yep, Ford up about 70%, 46% gain for GM. Phil, thank you so much, as always.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.